We all have dreams, those grand visions of a successful future, but there's a crucial difference between dreams and goals. Dreams are ethereal, floating in the space of what if. Goals, however, are grounded, actionable, and driven by a plan. This guide is about bridging that gap and turning dreams into concrete realities. Why do so many struggle to achieve their goals? Our brains prioritize immediate gratification over long-term rewards. We set vague goals without a clear plan, making it difficult to track progress or stay motivated. We underestimate the effort required and get discouraged when faced with obstacles. Without a structured approach, our goals become more like wishes. By breaking down the process into manageable steps and setting clear milestones, we can outsmart our natural tendencies. A strategic approach to goal setting is crucial for success. This guide provides a proven framework for goal setting. We'll explore techniques like chunking and the SMART goal method, learn how to harness visualization, habit formation, and progress tracking. This isn't just about setting goals, it's about creating a lifestyle that supports your aspirations. Get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and achievement. Every journey begins with a single step and a clear vision. To unlock your potential, you need a vision deeply resonant with your core values. Your why is the driving force behind your actions. Without a compelling why, your goals are just tasks on a list. Tap into the power of your why to unleash an unstoppable force within yourself. Visualization is a powerful technique for bringing your vision to life. By creating a vivid mental picture of your desired outcome, you engage your emotions and prime your brain for success. Imagine yourself 1 year from now, having achieved your goal. Engage all your senses to create an immersive experience. These positive emotions reinforce your commitment and boost your motivation. Sometimes it's helpful to create a tangible representation of your vision. A vision board is a collage of images, quotes, and affirmations that represent your goals. It serves as a visual reminder of what you're working towards. Place your vision board where you can see it daily. This simple act reinforces your belief in your ability to achieve your dreams. An ambitious vision can feel overwhelming. Chunking involves breaking down large goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Each small task contributes to the overall achievement. This technique taps into our brain's natural reward system. By consistently checking off smaller goals, you build momentum and confidence. Setting SMART goals provides a roadmap for achieving them. The SMART acronym stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. When your goals are SMART, they become strategic battle plans. This framework transforms vague aspirations into concrete action plans. By applying the SMART framework, you set yourself up for success. Break your vision down into smaller, SMART goals. These smaller goals serve as stepping stones towards your ultimate destination. Outline specific action steps to create a clear roadmap. Embrace the power of chunking and set SMART goals. Consistently work towards these milestones to turn your vision into reality. Setting a realistic timeline for achieving your goals creates a framework for consistent progress. Without deadlines, goals can easily slip into the abyss of someday. Deadlines create a sense of accountability and urgency. They push you to take action and avoid procrastination. A goal without a deadline is just a wish. Breaking down the journey into smaller milestones provides structure and motivation. Milestones are like checkpoints along your roadmap to success. They provide a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated. Milestones allow for reflection and adjustment. This regular check-in ensures flexibility and adaptation. Tracking your progress keeps you accountable and motivated. Use digital calendars, task management apps, or physical planners. Experiment with different tools to find what works best for you. Create a visual representation of your progress. Stay organized, accountable, and motivated throughout your journey. Section 1. The compound effect, small habits, big results. The real magic happens in the realm of daily habits. Habits are the building blocks of success. Their impact grows exponentially over time. Improve 1% each day and you'll be 37 times better in a year. Small changes, consistently applied, lead to remarkable results. Identify small daily habits that align with your goals. These habits don't have to be grand gestures. Forming new habits can be challenging, especially when we try to force them into our already busy lives. This is where the concept of habit stacking comes in handy. Habit stacking is a simple yet effective technique that leverages the power of existing habits to make new habits stick. The idea is to identify a current habit you perform consistently and stack the new habit on top of it, creating a trigger for consistent action. For example, let's say you want to develop the habit of meditating for 10 minutes each morning. Instead of trying to force this new habit into your routine randomly, identify an existing habit you already perform consistently, like brushing your teeth. Now, stack the new habit of meditation immediately after brushing your teeth, creating a simple routine. After I brush my teeth, I will meditate for 10 minutes. By linking the new habit to an existing one, you create a clear trigger for action. Over time, the existing habit becomes a cue for the new habit, making it more likely that you'll follow through consistently. The key is to choose an existing habit that you perform without fail and stack the new habit immediately after it, minimizing the chances of distractions or procrastination. While forming new habits is essential, the real magic lies in consistency. It's not about being perfect, it's about showing up day after day, even when you don't feel like it. Consistency is what separates those who achieve their goals from those who only dream about them. It's through consistent action, repeated over time, that small habits transform into significant results. One of the most effective ways to cultivate consistency is to establish routines. Routines provide structure and predictability, minimizing decision fatigue and making it easier to stick to your habits. When you have a set routine for your day, you're less likely to rely on willpower or motivation, which can fluctuate. Instead, your habits become automatic, ingrained into your daily life. Start by establishing a simple morning routine that includes the habits that support your goals. This could include activities like meditation, exercise, journaling, or working on your most important task of the day. As you become more comfortable with your morning routine, you can gradually expand it to include other parts of your day, creating a structured framework for consistent action. Remember, the goal is to create a routine that works for you, one that supports your goals and helps you live your best life. We've covered setting goals, breaking them down, and establishing habits. Now monitor your progress and to celebrate your wins. Tracking isn't about obsessing, it's about insights and motivation. Think of it like navigating a ship. You need a compass and map to guide your way. Reviewing progress highlights accomplishments and fuels motivation. Use notebooks, spreadsheets, or apps to track your progress. Section 2. Embracing adaptability, adjusting your sails. As you monitor your progress, it's essential to remember that the path to success is rarely linear. There will be unexpected detours, unforeseen challenges, and moments when you need to adjust your sails to navigate the changing winds. Embracing adaptability is not about giving up on your goals. It's about being flexible and resourceful in your approach, recognizing that sometimes the best way to reach your destination is to adjust your course along the way. Think back to the ship analogy. Imagine encountering a storm while sailing across the ocean. Would you stubbornly maintain your course, risking the safety of your ship and crew? Or would you adjust your sails, navigate around the storm, and continue your journey when the seas calmed? The same principle applies to achieving your goals. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and your journey towards achieving your goals won't be immune to these changes. There will be times when your initial plan needs tweaking, when unforeseen obstacles arise, or when you simply discover a better, more efficient way to reach your destination. Section 3. The power of reflection, learning, and growing. Monitoring your progress and embracing adaptability are essential for staying on course, but the real growth happens when you take the time to reflect on your journey. Reflection is more than just passively reviewing your actions. It's about actively engaging with your experiences, extracting valuable lessons, and integrating those lessons into your future endeavors. It's about turning setbacks into opportunities for growth and transforming challenges into stepping stones for future success. Think of reflection as a time for introspection, for asking yourself powerful questions that lead to deeper understanding. What went well during this past week or month? What challenges did I face and how did I overcome them? What did I learn from those experiences? And how can I apply those lessons moving forward? Regular reflection helps you identify patterns in your behavior, recognize your strengths and weaknesses, and gain a deeper understanding of what motivates you. It allows you to celebrate your achievements, acknowledge your efforts, and cultivate a growth mindset that embraces challenges as opportunities for learning and development. Section 1. The motivation equation, fueling your fire. You've set your sights on a compelling vision and established a system for tracking progress. But what happens when the initial excitement fades? How do you stay committed to your goals despite distractions and setbacks? The answer lies in understanding the motivation equation. Think of motivation as a fire. To keep it burning bright, you need to continually add fuel. This fuel can come from various sources: the satisfaction of pursuing a meaningful goal, the joy of witnessing your own progress, or the encouragement of a supportive community. Section 2. Overcoming obstacles, navigating roadblocks. Obstacles are inevitable in any journey towards meaningful goals. They can be unexpected challenges, distractions, or self-doubt. The key is to develop resilience and resourcefulness. Think of obstacles like detours on a road trip. You'd find an alternate route, consult a map, or seek guidance. Adopt a solution-oriented mindset and view challenges as opportunities. Section 3. Building resilience, bouncing back stronger. Obstacles and setbacks are opportunities to develop resilience, the ability to bounce back stronger and wiser. Resilience is about learning from mistakes, adapting, and persevering through adversity. View challenges as growth opportunities, each setback bringing you closer to your goal. Resilience is like a muscle that strengthens with each challenge you overcome. Each obstacle strengthens your resilience, preparing you for greater challenges ahead. Embrace a growth mindset to learn, adapt, and emerge stronger. Section 1. From Vision to Victory, a Journey of Transformation. As we reach the culmination of this journey, from envisioning your ideal future to equipping yourself with the tools and strategies for success, it's important to acknowledge the transformative power of the path you've chosen to embark upon. The journey from vision to victory is about embracing growth, resilience, and belief in your destiny. We've explored the principles of successful goal achievement, crafting a compelling vision and understanding the why that fuels your motivation, breaking down aspirations into actionable steps, leveraging the compound effect of small, consistent habits, celebrate each milestone achieved, and cultivate resilience, determination, and self-awareness. Section 2, your next chapter, embracing the power of goal setting. The journey doesn't end here, in fact, it's just the beginning. Armed with the knowledge, tools, and mindset you've cultivated throughout this guide, you're now equipped to embrace the power of goal setting in all aspects of your life. As you continue on your journey, remember that the path to success is rarely linear. It's a winding road full of unexpected detours, exhilarating climbs, and moments of quiet reflection. Embrace the unknown with courage and curiosity, knowing that each challenge you overcome, each lesson you learn, and each milestone you achieve brings you one step closer to the extraordinary life you envision. As you continue to set goals, break them down and consistently work towards their accomplishment, you'll be amazed at the transformative power of this simple yet profound practice. So go forth, embrace the power of goal setting and watch as your vision transforms into a breathtaking reality, one step at a time. The world is waiting to witness the incredible chapters you're about to write.